Morning, class 8. Yesterday we have read about the finding out square root of a rational number. Actually, finding out the square root of a positive rational number. And today we have to find out the square root of a decimal number. By taking some example, we have to understand this thing. So take a look at this. I am taking here an example. Example number 1. Evaluate a square root of 42.25. Now the solution. To find out the square root of 42.25, we have to use long division method here. 42.25 I am writing. Like the long division method, we have to draw the line like that. And pairing up in the decimal part first and then in the whole part. This is called decimal part after decimal and this is called whole part. We have to pairing up the digits in decimal parts and in whole part separately. Now this is 42 and we have to count, we have to read table like 2 2 ja 4, very less, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36 and 7 7 ja 49. Students, 7 7 ja 49 is more than 42, so we have to take here 6 6 ja 36. So like that, 6 plus 6 is 12 and here you have to write the digit 6 and here you have to write product, then subtract. 12 minus 6 6 and it is 0. Then you have to put decimal for placing here 25. You know the pair comes here and now we have to put here some number like 1 23, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. It is very less than 625, so we have to use 124. Then we have to put the numbers like here, both the numbers same, both the digits must be same. 4 4 ja 16 6, 1 carry, 4 2 ja 8 1 9, 4 1 ja 4. It is also less than 625. So again we have to use 1 2 5, then it will be 5 5 ja 25, 2 carry, 5 2 ja 10, 2 12 2, 1 carry, 5 1 ja 5 1 6. Yes, it is 625. So we have to put here 5 and add 130 and the digit is here, and so we have to write here 625. Now it is cancel out after subtraction. Therefore we can write a square root of 42.25 equal to 6.5. Now I am taking another example, example 2. Evaluate the square root of 6.4009. How can we find? So just the previous one, we have to write here solution. and writing the number 6.4009 and making pair from in decimal part and in whole part. 6 is alone here. We can read the table. 1 1 ja 1, which is less than 6. 2 2 ja 4, less than 6. 3 3 ja 9, more than 6. So we have to take 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. After subtraction it is 2. Now to take 40 here, we have to place decimal here and then put 40 here. Now we have to put here a digit such that it is equal to 240, product is 240 or less than 240. So I am checking here 4, 3, 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, very less than 240. Here I am taking another 40, 6 is ja 36, 6 3 carry, 6 4 ja 24, 3 27, which is 276, which is more than 240. So we have to take one less, that is 45. 5 5 ja 25, 2 carry, 5 4 ja 22, 222. That is a 222, which is less than 240. So we can use here 5. We have to add, write 50, and here we have to write the digit 5, and then the product here we have to write 225. 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, and it is cancelled out. Now this 09 comes to here. Now the number is 50. We have to put here some digit to make it 1509. So I am taking here first 3 and check. 3 3 ja 9, 0, 3 5 ja 15. It is very simple. So we can take here 3, add 6 0 5, and writing the here the digit and writing here product 1509, then subtract. And therefore we can write a square root of 6.4009 equal to 2.53. Students, I am taking here another example, example number 3. Find the square root of 2. Here there is not any decimal. Square root of 2 up to 2 places of decimal. It means this is not a perfect square, we know. So how can we solve it? Take a look at this. First, think about 2. 2 is the whole number, but in decimal form, as we use any number in decimal system, so we can write 2.0. We can write 2.0. 2 can be written as 2.0, but we have to find out the square root of 2 up to 2 places of decimal. So students, if we have to find out the square root of 2 up to 2 places of decimal, the number of zeros after decimal or right side of the decimal must be 4. This is written here 2, so we have to taken 2 times, that is 2 times 0. If it is written here 3 places of decimal, we have to put here 6 zeros. If it is written here 3 places of decimal, we have to put here 6 zeros. Okay? Yes, if 4 places, 8 zeros. Now here it is in question. We have to find out the square root of 2. Square root of 2 up to 2 places of decimal. I am putting here 4 zeros. Now once again writing like that and pairing up from the right side in the decimal part and whole part alone. Now just like that I am putting here line, I am drawing a line and writing here 1 1 ja 1, that is 1, 2 2 ja 4, which is more than 2, so I have to write here 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 1 1 ja 1. After subtraction it is 1. After putting decimal, 2 zeros are there. Now it is 100. Now it is 100. How can we put here digit 2? We are checking 2 3, then 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, it is less than 100. I am putting here 4, 4 4 ja 16, 6, 1 carry 4 2 ja 8 1, 9. Once again I am taking 2 5, then it is 125. So 125 is more than 100, so we can use 96. That is, we have to put here 4 4. And 4 4, 8 and 2, and we have to write here digit 4, and then 24 4 ja, that is 96. After subtraction we have to write 4, this is cancelled. Now here we have to put here 0. Now to find out 400 or less than 400, we have to put some number like 281, then it will be 281, then it will be 281. And if we put here 282, then we will get 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 6, 1 carry, 2 2 ja 4, 1, 5, which is more than 400. So we can use only 1. So if we put here 1, then it will be 282, and here we have to write 1, and then it is 281. Now subtract 9, 1 and 1. Nothing else extra. We have to find out the square root of 2 up to 2 places of decimal, and you can see here 2 places of decimal. After decimal we have only 2 places, 4, 1. So we can write a square root of 2 is 1.41. If it is written here 3 places of decimal, we have to put here extra 2 zeros and then move onward. But we have to find out here a square root of a square root of 2 up to 2 places of decimal. Okay. Students, I think now you understood the way to find out the square root of a decimal number, whatever the decimal number is perfect square or not a perfect square, if it is a non-terminating decimal also. A square root of 2 is non-terminating, a square root of 3 is also non-terminating. So I will give you the worksheet and you can solve the worksheet. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.